If you are going on a relaxing vacation to a tropical paradise, is your destination more likely to be an isle, ISLE, or an aisle, AISLE? On the other hand, when you are looking for your favorite type of mustard at your grocery store, could you find it in aisle 5, as in AISLE, or on aisle 5, ISLE?
Since these two words are pronounced identically when spoken aloud, but do not mean the same thing, they are called homophones. English has many homophones. So what is the difference between aisle and aisle?
In this episode, we will compare aisle, spelled AISLE, versus, well, aisle, spelled ISLE. And we'll use each of these words in a sentence for you. Aisle, spelled AISLE, is a walkway between seats or shelves in a building. This word is also a noun.
So we can say, my favorite type of mustard is in aisle 5, as in AISLE, since we are pertaining to the walkway between shelves at the grocery store.
That's right, Teacher Molly. Another example is, the bride is gracefully walking down the aisle, AISLE.
Aisle, as in ISLE, is also a noun. An isle is a small island or peninsula. Isles can be found all over the world.
For example, when I looked out the plane window, I could see the aisle where they filmed a major motion picture down by the water.
The trick for you to remember which to use, always keep in mind that aisle, ISLE, and island both begin with the letter I. So, if you are pertaining to the small island, then use aisle, ISLE. Otherwise, use aisle, AISLE.
We hope you learned something new today. See you again next time.